Hey guys, I'm back. Oh, sorry. Turn the music off. Anyway, I am back. Hey, how is everybody? I have to remember to look at this camera. I am so sorry, you guys. My sister pointed out that I don't look into the camera. I don't know. I'm still trying to figure all this out and where to look and where not to look. You know, it's very different because for the short stint I was in the business and shooting TV and film, you can't look into the camera. So this is a whole different little thing. So I don't know where to look. So if I'm not looking and I'm seeming like I'm looking weird or looking off, I don't know. I'm figuring it out. But anyway, if you can, guys, please like and subscribe. I truly appreciate it. Thank you so much for the people that have. I really appreciate it. Also, let me am I gonna miss my exit here? That is crazy. Okay, so we made it happen. That's not good. Kids, don't do that. But okay, so today I really and truly wanted to get into nature again, and I cannot wait for the summer. There's so many things that I want to do, and I talked about before the Georgia Mountains. The Georgia Mountains is so much fun. It's you have the mountains here, and then you have the ocean, where I just left, Florida. So I am taking full advantage of the mountains this summer and hiking and whatever we can get into. But my sister said there was a springs up here somewhere Alpharetta that I don't think I've been to, and it's waterfalls and everything. So I'm gonna go check that out today. It was supposed to be 70, but the weather never bothers me. I love it. I love it. It's a little gloomy or whatever, but I think it's beautiful. I love the rain. Any chance I can get to dance in it, I will. But yeah, so we're gonna get out tonight. I just left the grocery store. I got some fruits and hummus and some things to make a little charcuterie for our outing. So I'm headed to pick up my daughter and her best friend. They're going to come with. So yeah, so we are going to get into that today, and I'm excited to see what's up with these waterfalls. They say you can get in the water, but today with the weather and everything, I don't know if that's going down, but definitely I will be back there this summer to take full advantage. What else? Yeah, I took my braids out. Oh my gosh, I've been through it because I haven't found a person to do my hair here, and I like to switch it up. I like expressing myself through my hair. There were days in my 20s when I had my hair locked and cut my hair off bald, and I've done everything, and then I do a lot to my hair. As you can see, it is a form of expression for me, and it's fun. So I usually had girls when I lived here before that would do my hair, and everybody's changed and things are different now. So that is, I have not been able to find anyone. So I went to a girl and she gave me some French braids. I did not like it. I spent $75. I wasted that because I took it down the next day, which I tend to do sometimes. And then I went to the beauty school, which I was telling you guys about before, that I do often, so that I can get my hair done a lot, and I'm not paying $200 every time or whatever. So I did that yesterday, and I got this, which I'm okay with. It'll do for a week or whatever, but it's fun and it's a switch up. So yes.
Do you see what she makes with blue? I'm not
My family.
I know. She's like, I'm not a buzzard.
She immediately just kind of have it in my hand.
All right, so where's the spot? Okay, guys, we are here. It's Roswell Mill, so some of you guys might know about this place, but I lived here my whole life, and I don't think that I kind of like a Roswell Mill. Anyway, we're here, and we're going to check it out and see what the spot is. Wow, it looks really cool. This might be one of my other little hangouts.
was like, no.
Gosh, it looks so pretty. Oh my god. Guys, this is my jam. I'm so excited. I see the waterfall from here. It looks so cool. Oh yeah, this is gonna be my little hangout for the summer. What about this little lookout point? Yvonne, where are they going? Oh, you want to start down there?
Yeah, that's where
Start your way. Okay, that's where you start.
down that way and up the stairs. And
Okay. All right, so we're gonna meet you roundabout.
you're gonna meet me roundabout.
Okay. All right,
I'm injured.
go. Let's go. You're injured. Sis is injured.
I don't know what you're talking
All right,
about.
who's leading the way? You're leading the way.
I don't even know what threes mean.
Y'all go first. I'm behind y'all.
Be careful, those rocks are steep.
Oh,
I'm
could
talking
you?
about the girls.
Thank you.
The girls. I'm talking about the girls. Be careful. Alright.
Okay, y'all. Let go. So cool. Well, this is my exercise for the day, since I didn't make the gym. So cool. Vickery Creek.
Stairs to the actual. I've been to this mission so much.
How you doing? I'm definitely getting in my workout for today. I did not go to the gym this morning. I started editing videos early this morning. And yeah, so this worked out. I'm out of breath. Whew. It's a good workout. Oh my God, I see the waterfall. I see it. It's so pretty. All right, we're almost there. I don't know why I wore some Converse, trying to be cute. I went with my little sweatshirt, and I had the hiking boots in the car and did not put them on. So, okay. Whew. How you doing? Okay. Ooh. They left me. Whoa, you hear the rumbling? Oh, man. And I forgot my microphone, so I'm probably gonna have to mute the sound. Whoa. Or not talk. Oh my gosh. Wow. I was gonna bring my dog. I don't know why I didn't. I was just thinking I wanted to like peep it out first. She's super duper hyper. So I didn't want her like running off or getting off the leash. Just she's wild. So I'll bring her next time now that I know what to expect. Guys, check this out. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Massive, man. Wait for me. Y'all ain't right. Let's go. Y'all not going all the way down? Woo, excuse me. Wow. Definitely outside. That's dope. Hey girl. Hey, this is beautiful, right? Oh my gosh.
the.
Y'all want to see it? Is it
It's
like,
like kind of dangerous.
why?
Like a little bit. It's just kind of hard to maneuver. Like not that hard to maneuver.
Dangerous. Like, oh no. I don't
Like it's fine. It's fine.
Okay, so they're going a little further. I am turning around because my little Converse are a little slippery, and my sister hurt her foot, so she stayed down. So I'm gonna go back down and find her. I had a little thing to set up a picnic, and I brought food and fruit and stuff. So I'm gonna go get her and find a picnic spot. So let's trek back the way we came. Freaking beautiful.
Beautiful.
So, one thing when my kids were little, I have an older son, by the way, he's in his 20s. When they were little, I would always stress to them, "Hi, how are you?" I would always stress to them the importance of having adventures in life. Hello. I am the crazy mom that will chuck my kids out of school if the wind blows in the right direction, and I will take them on little adventures, especially when we lived in LA and we would bike every day. My kids would hate me because sometimes it was like they didn't want to do it, but they had to. My son was a skateboarder, so we would bike and he would skateboard through Venice. Oh my god, those were like the good old days, and eat dollar Chinese food and dollar pizza on the boardwalk. But yeah, I've just always stressed to them the importance of enjoying life and not taking things too serious. You're gonna go through enough stuff out here that you don't want to take yourself too serious. You want to have fun and enjoy life, and sometimes that means breaking the rules. And yeah, that's very important to me. So, to more adventures. Yeah. So funny. I should have worn my boots. I don't know what I was thinking, but this is my first time here. Now I know. And for some reason, it was so cold this morning, and I thought it was going to be really cold. I feel like I'm not really prepared, but next time. Actually, no, let me take that back. Always prepared. Perfectly and beautifully. This is divinely perfect, so no regrets. But next time, I will bring along my hiking boots so that we can, trek through this little jungle and check out some more spots. But this is going to be it. Y'all are going to see me here a lot. So, spot 2, since I've been back, Lake Allatoona was 1. And we'll probably head further north. I love it. Check it out. I'm back to where the steps we started. Take it in, guys. Mother Nature. Isn't she dope? Isn't she magnificent? Isn't she magical? In all of her beauty and glory. Yes. Yes. I think it's a prom. I think she said it was a prom going on today. There she is. Whoa, it's like I walked out of a vortex. Another dimension. Like having the ocean back. The waves. This is like so close to the house. And I'm from here. Like I've raced 15 minutes now.
We're gonna go to the next one. It's like an hour and a half away.
Yeah.
Kind of close to the mountains, so.
That's what I was just saying. We're going to be going further north.
Yeah. Now that's nice hiking, so we're gonna have to be equipped for that because I think it's like.
I brought my hiking boots. They're in the car.
Oh, you did just didn't
Yeah,
put
I
them
brought
on.
them, but I was trying to look cute. with my
You
little
did. You
outfit.
looked all you matchy, looking like a little Michigan. Is your
Yes.
sweatshirt a Michigan? Okay, okay.
Yes.
All right. Sure they went down this way?
Yeah, they went up, like where we were.
They went up? Oh, I thought you said they went down.
Oh no. Well, we walked all the way up to the waterfall, and then they kept going.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So we're waiting for them to come back so we can do our picnic because they have the goodies. Wow! Look at this, man.
Look at any of these.
Well, so I guess this was some type of cotton mill, which we already know what that's about. Wow. Lots of stuff went down here one day. So much beauty. So much beauty.
Rooms, they even have the letter working. You know that was ghetto.
It's crazy. No comment. So, all right. Now, we don't have our blanket, our little thingy. You were right. I think that was used to wash the dog. My bad. All right. All right, guys, dig in. Do you guys like hummus or? You like hummus? Take our hummus. Okay. Guacs and hummus. No más. I think you guys do the chips. And we do key lime pie.
Oh, I'm excited.
Alrighty. No, I do not.
Do you have hand sanitizer?
We do need some. There's some in the car if you want to try to catch Niall, but he's probably already on his way back. So did everybody have a good time?
Yes, definitely good time.
Yeah. This was fun. We will be back this summer when we can get our feet in the water.
Actually, waterfalling.
Yeah. Okay, so that was a spot. That was so much fun. I love being with my family anyway, but that was cool. I will be back this summer, and you see I'm breathing all heavy. I thought, I go to the gym every morning working out, and I'm winded. But anyway, we're gonna head back to the house and have some food, and we'll try to do this little bonfire with marshmallows and strawberries. So let's go. They are grilling meat, the family, tonight. So I'm along for the ride. I have a few veggies. But yeah, I'm going to do a little, I think I'm going to do a little s'mores on the fire pit. So. So peaceful out here. A beautiful night. So today was a good day. The hike was really nice. I like that spot. I'm glad I know about that spot. I will definitely be back there. I think the kids had a good time. So I went and dropped them off at Sky Zone. They weren't done. But I am exhausted because I've been up since 5 in the morning and probably only like 7, 8 o'clock. But I am trying to hang in there. I might make some mushroom tea. I don't drink coffee, but I'm usually in bed by 9 o'clock, depending, which is crazy for me because I used to be a night person, but I'm not. So anyway, so today was a very good day. I'm grateful. Let's see if I have enough strength and energy to make some s'mores tonight. We'll see. If not, I might be back and continue this video tomorrow at Lake Allatoona. I'm thinking about going up there tomorrow. If not, I'm going to end the video, but I'm sure I'll be back. We'll see what happens. Hey guys. So I didn't close out the video last night. This is the next day after the waterfall. So yes, I decided to, come out to Lake Allatoona today. I was with the family yesterday, and I've been on this isolation kind of journey place in my life right now because there's a few things that I'm working on. I'm transitioning to another state, and just a really crucial time. So I'm really embracing isolation and going within as much as I can and being still and being present. So I came back up to Red Top Mountain to do some meditation, do some breath work, pray, be still, prepare myself for the week because there's a lot of things that I'm working on and I'm manifesting. So I came back up here. Look how beautiful. Oh my gosh, this is like just so perfect. But I wanted to say thank you guys for watching. Thank you for hopefully liking and subscribing to the channel. I want to bring peace, love, and light to this channel, information, positivity. So it'll go into, I know it's been probably all over the place, but I'm all over the place. I'm always all over the place, but it's divinely how it's supposed to be. So thank you guys. Stay tuned for the next video. I have plans to bring some really beautiful things to the channel. So stay with me, guys. Okay. Love you. Have a beautiful day. Mwah.